Shared a video with you guys about this air wick, and today what I'm going to be doing is rigging it up so it could be powered with this electrical phone charger plug that I rigged up. I basically cut the end of it, and I have the negative and positive, and it actually works. So I'm going to show you guys how it works. Here I remove the batteries, the screws, and here's the inside of it. And then you see the negative and positive that connects to the battery. So I'm going to be removing this and connecting this wire here. So I could show you guys. See, I removed it. And I'm going to remove this one. And then I'm going to pause it, connect these, run this through the inside, through here, through the back of it, and then seal it back up. So basically I heated up the lighter, the screw here, the thing, and I punched a hole through it with the heat, and I got some zip ties so when I run it through it won't slip back out. So I ran it through, I put the zip ties, cut them. Now if I accidentally pull it too hard, this thing here, the zip ties that I just recently put right here, that it won't allow it to, come out the wire, and it won't disconnect them. So now it'll be plugged in to the wall, to that, without the batteries. Now when I connect this should turn blue and it should spray. Okay, it didn't spray, but it should. Yeah, there's a little bit there. It's not that strong, but I have it connected. Like you see, the batteries are over there. It's connected directly with this thing. So now I don't have to worry about the batteries. So I'm going to put this back together and not even worry about it no more. Okay, so I basically put this on again. So turn it on. And it's on now, it's plugged, and I don't have to worry about the batteries. I noticed that it sprayed a little bit, but it's not working as effectively as when it has the batteries. But now it has this, and I could like actually pull on it, because of the zip tie that I put on it. So this is not going anywhere. Yeah, like when it does end up wasting or using up all the oil, I'll be able to replace it with new oil. And they sell like cologne oil, so you could use your favorite type of cologne as well, which is cool as well. So yeah, this is like basically a part 2 of that first video I've posted about this air wick. And I guess now I won't be able to put this on, I think. Let me see. Because of the wire. But I could cover it like that. I don't know. Yeah, I didn't think about this.